Okay guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of our all together video, okay? So we're going to try and start putting things together again. We're going to continue with that process, okay? So first video we looked at the lower body and how that reacts when we're moving and squatting. Now we're going to look at the upper body, mainly the shoulders, okay? So what we're going to look at first is when you're seeing someone squatting, particularly if they're overhead, okay? Can they keep their arms in line with the torso when they squat, okay? So when they squat, their arms fall forward like this, okay? Also, along with that, if they're pressing out overhead, using their arms overhead, do they manage to keep a neutral spine when they're pressing overhead, or do they have to arch their back to get into that overhead position? If they do, then that's when you go to video with the lat mobilizations on, okay? That's where you roll, stretch, and activate your lats, okay? So we can get into this nice, strong overhead, safe position, okay? The next one we're going to look at, okay? So this is more of a postural thing, okay, rather than a movement thing. Okay, if you see someone when they're standing, they're in this position. You see this rounded shoulders, your shoulders are coming forwards, okay? This is where we look at our pec mobilizations, this chest mobilization. So loosening these pecs off, we're going to roll, stretch, and activate these pecs. And try and get our shoulders back into this neutral position, okay? This is going to limit the amount of, or the chance of any kind of shoulder problems, particularly impingements, okay? So after this whole process, after you've seen yourself squatting, you've kind of assessed it, and picked out the correct mobilizations to help you move better, what we should be aiming to do is try and get ourselves into a position where we can squat properly. Okay, so this is what we should be looking at if we're doing an overhead squat. Okay, we should be keeping our heels on the floor the whole time for the squat. Our shoulders should be shoulder width apart. We should have our arms up overhead. Our chest should stay nice and upright, back nice and straight, and the hips should break parallel. Okay, thanks for watching guys, see you soon.